YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Word Chapter 1 HOE job. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assessment Exp22 Word Chapter 1 HOE job. Here is a project description. As you can see that in preparation for a class, you are assisting at the Middleton Community Career Center. You develop a document that includes a sample cover letter and resume. The document is formatted with styles and a page border. In addition, you include a watermark and document properties to better identify the documents. Now we will move to the question number 1. Here is a document. As you can see that question number 1 is start Word, download and open the file name exp22 Word Chapter 1 HOE job. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp22 Word Chapter 1 HOE job from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is displaying non-printing characters can assist with troubleshooting a document letter. For example, leaving too many spaces between words result in the grammatical mistake when the problem is simply the number of spaces. By showing non-printing characters, you can easily see the spaces and correct the mistake. Display non-printing characters, click or position the insertion point before the page break indicator at the bottom of the page 1 on the same line as the indicator. Insert text from letter dot dox. First, you will have to display the non-printing characters. Then move to the Word file. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is click or position the insertion point after the words customer support near the middle of the page 1 and press enter. Type online troubleshooting and press enter. Type technical support but do not press enter. First, you will go to the page number 1. In the middle, you will see that the word customer support. Then press enter and type middle of the page number 1. Then this you will have to type online troubleshooting. Troubleshooting, then press enter and then type the technical support. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is replace every occurrence of the word website and website. 3 items should be replaced. In this question, you will have to find the website, web, and separate site keyword and then replace with website. Then you will go to the home tab, then click on find, then find word website. In the find word text field, you will have to type web and separate site. This is search the website, then replace with website, then press OK. As you can see that the 3 replacement are done. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is find the word opportunity, change the second occurrence of the word. First you will have to find the word. Occurrence of the word opportunity to player. Find the word opportunity. First you will have to copy this word opportunity. In the search dialog box you will have to type this, and the second occurrence in this question you will have to change the second occurrence of opportunity to player. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is change the document for spelling and grammatical errors. No names are misspelled, so ignore any such errors. Correct any misspelled words and address the grammatical error by changing receive to receiving. Ignore any other refinement concerns. In the review tab, you will go to the spelling and grammatical errors. Spelling and grammar checks are completed. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is use the thesaurus to identify a synonym for the word attention in the last sentence of the first body paragraph. Replace the word attention with consideration. In this question, you will have to use the thesaurus pen to identify the synonym for the word attention and then replace with word consideration. First, we will have to go to the review tab, then click on the thesaurus pen. Click on this. And then find the synonym of this word attention inside this consideration. We have now completed 7 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, US, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLabIT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.